is it?
Good morning.
Nope.
Already afternoon?
Good afternoon and welcome back to RP&W Adventures. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brian.
And today we are back in Central Oregon. Another exploring day.
Day two.
Day two.
But we are south.
Yeah, we are kind of southeast of La Pine. We're in Deschutes National Forest still.
Yeah, for now.
For right now, but we've got another area to go explore as well. So we've already found a couple okay-ish campsites, kind of like last resort type of places.
Yeah, not that great.
They haven't been super great, but hey, we're still out exploring, having an amazing day in the sunshine again.
Right.
Oh,
beautiful. We're at about 5,400 feet. Wind's blowing, but man, it is warm and beautiful.
Yep.
Ready for a fun day of exploring, putting some campsites on our list.
That's right, to come back to.
Yeah.
You know, after the craziness of the next couple of months is done.
There's that. But we got a couple of attractions to go to, maybe hole in the ground, and maybe some fishing. I don't know.
Oh.
Who knows?
All right.
Oh, and finish the day with some beers.
Of course.
Duh. I mean, we're in Central Oregon.
Oh.
All right.
All right.
We got to turn around because this site, no bueno.
No.
So.
All right, let's hit the trail.
Let's go. 10-point turn.
No, only 3.
So we were up here last May. I think it was April. End of April.
Oh, end of April?
Something like that. We stayed in an epic spot. After we stayed at the Alvord Desert, and we just got blown out of there. If we didn't have any wind, it'd be perfect right now.
It would be beyond perfect.
Yep. And headed up in this region and found an awesome campsite. I think we're gonna go there next and check that out. But wanted to come to this place because there's an epic dual cinder cone just right over there, and got some epic drone shots last year of it. It's pretty awesome. Pretty beautiful. Let's see if we can make it back out to the main road here without not pinstriping some more pinstripes on the beast.
Oh, and we got them yesterday, didn't we? Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we definitely did. All right.
Anybody know of a good detailer in Southwest Washington that can get out pinstripes? Let us know in the comments below.
Yeah.
Whew.
We decided to go up the road a little bit to the end of the line, and
we hit the end of the line.
We hit the end of the line.
Oh my gosh, Sasquatch was here.
The fuck? I think somebody else had same plan. Oh gosh.
Yeah, hard my arrows.
Oh gosh.
Oh, you got it in the back of your sock.
Yep.
The other shoe.
All right. Turn it around. Got to get probably the last epic snow footage of the year. Here she comes. Why didn't you drive through the big freaking thing? Seriously. Come on. Oh, that road would have been freaking awesome. There was a cinder cone I wanted to get up to. Oh well. All right, back that way. Bad, huh?
No, pretty good.
That's why that one's on the map. Yeah.
Somebody was in our OG campsite, and we were gonna stop there and take a little lunch break, but now we've got to figure something else out.
Yeah, that was a good campsite.
It
We had,
was.
just a night there, but
It was so good.
it was relaxing. Hardly saw anybody. I think we saw some.
I think we saw like
some
four more
razors or something.
Yeah, something like that. 4x4s.
Yeah. But on to the next, and then some lunch. We're at the base of Flat Top Rock.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome. Freaking cinder cone. Wow.
Yeah.
Really exposed, but
And there's also a fire, it looks like, maybe last year.
who knows? A couple of years maybe.
Yeah. Do you want to walk the road back? See how it is? Yeah, but very beautiful views. Oh, man.
Yeah, definitely. Cool. Arrived at Hole in the Ground. We are beat up again. All those roads, man.
For like, what, 2 camps?
Yeah, we didn't find too many campsites out there.
Oh,
Sure beautiful. Sure beautiful, but we didn't find nothing. There's a guy camping at the nice camp spot right over there. Hopefully we can get that next time we're up here. But we're gonna chill and eat and relax for a minute. What'd you get? What did we get?
We might have happened to get the most recent version of our hammock chairs for the truck. But we brought them with us because we haven't opened them yet. So we brought them out here.
Yep. Meat. What's for lunch? happy mood now. We ate. Oh, we're so happy now.
No hangry.
No hangry. Hangry on the trail is the worst. Fish. Oh my. Oh my. Off we go again. Pavement? What?
Pavement.
No campsites on pavement. Where are we going now?
I don't know.
That way? Don't worry.
Your public lands.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Not bad, not bad. I like the other spots better.
It's like an old quarry or something like that.
Huh.
Interesting.
Pretty cool.
Mm.
I might want to drive in here though. Our car is so filthy, and we got a car wash this morning. Oh, wow. What a fun day it's been exploring. It's been,
Yeah.
I don't know, it's like yesterday was so challenging because the roads were super challenging. Today was challenging like in a completely different way.
Right.
And I'm not quite sure how to put it into words.
More of a distance.
Yeah.
Probably. Long distance.
Yeah, for
Like,
sure. But
yeah.
we did find some pretty cool spots.
Yeah.
The bad thing about, like the past couple days exploring is that a lot of them have not been sites that we could take the trailer to. So truck camping, yeah, definitely. A few that we could take the trailer to. So,
Yeah.
but this is not our last time exploring this area at all. So I'm
be
sure
back.
we'll come back next year and do similar scouting, exploring.
Never
Nope.
stops.
But it's been a fun couple of days here scouting in Central Oregon.
Yeah.
So
Deschutes National Forest. We're in Fremont National Forest now. So
yeah, that's a cool area out here.
yeah, we need
Really
to
cool.
explore more, but we're running out of
daylight.
and energy, and it's 5 o'clock, and you know what that means. So
It's beer 30.
a little bit.
All right. Well, we are going to head back. So thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
Fish of the century. It's the fishes. Oh. Wah, wah.
Hold on.
Wow.
Oh.
All right, squirm. I got one. Oh, look at it.
Oh. Well, that's an interesting catch of the day.
It was just right out there? What a fucking.
I'll take it.
I'm moving here.
Okay.
Yep. Just like that. That's a good fish, Larry. That's a good fish. Best fish I caught all day.